a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know.
Hi guys, good day to everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today at the Villa Roman Golf Academy, located in Camp Aguinaldo. This is my first time at the VGA driving range, and I'm really excited to share my experience with you. I'm currently practicing my short game here, and I have to say, this place is amazing for that. They have a dedicated putting area and a sand trap, which are perfect for honing your skills. It's only $800 for 1 hour, and that includes access to both the putting practice and the sand trap. Plus, there's plenty of parking space available, which is super convenient. Aside from the driving range, VGA offers a variety of services, including a short game facility, golf clinics, physical training, indoor simulation, coaching, tournament facilitation, and even counseling. It's a great place for golfers of all levels.
Concept really is about working on your short game. You know, Filipinos love to hit it long. So I wanted to create something that people can go and practice their short game.
Sa pin.
Apo. Sa puti, sir, no?
Pupuntahin ko sa pin na puti. Nagpas. Dapa. Ikaw mo kasi, sayang mo lang, di mo magpapangin na siya. Pamagda siya eh. Sayang kasi kung magpapahin na tayo. Mati na. Kailangan ko rin ito rin. Pagkakita mo may orasan ka dyan, pipindutin ko stop. Pero yung bola, lahat paayos na hindi na pwede patakas. Ewan natin ba naman siyang pagkatakas. Kaya na pinupahan na din namin akala namin kasi pwede kang di ba dito, pwede kang pumasok sa para parang diving din siya dito sa part na to. Tapos dito, pwede kang practice natin. Di ba? Mahirapan na pag tumama sa ito, wala. Hindi mo makikita kung aabot dun yan, kita mo parang tatansyahin mo. So parang siguro yun ang challenge ko. Parang, paano ko nakasakot ko yung pwede ba itong bata eh? Lalim. Lalim pa rin. Ito, shoot na to. Kaya, dikit sa pin. Oh, yan na. Yan na. Dahil, okay na.
Yun.
Di ba? Alam mo kaya ko yan. Isa pa, pag ito na-shoot, di ako uwi. Par 5.
Thanks for joining me today. If you're looking to improve your golf game, I highly recommend checking out Villa Roman Golf Academy. And hit that notification bell for more updates. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
May nakita nga ang ano doon, papadala ko ng tikas ng asawa niya siguro yun ano. Hindi na maka ano doon eh.
Laki ng katawan, parang pagano na ng leeg niya.
Ano yun, high blood siya?
Pangalawa na po pala yun eh.
Mahilig sa ano yun?
Pangalawang atake na.
Kumain ng karning ano. Mataba na ano.
Buti pa nung yun siya. Exercise siya.
Saan ba yun na ano na